All right, I'm gonna talk about another electrical project I've been working on today. This is the old exterior electrical setup that is on this old farmhouse. And as you could tell, the soffit needs some work. All this needs to be replaced. So what we're gonna be doing is replacing some of this old exterior saggy PVC electrical conduit with some new 1/2-inch electrical conduit. All right, so that's going to replace the sagging part, and we can have a nice straight one. I will probably have it lightly tagged, screwed up into this soffit, even though this side needs to come down just to temporarily hold it where I need it in place. And then I'm going to set up my exterior light fixture. Basically, the way this works is similar to a daisy chained outlet. It has power coming in, which is our line, and we have power going out to the rest of the exterior lighting on the load side. Okay, so that's what these two hots are, and these two neutrals, and tucked way up in there is a real sloppy ground job. Just so you know, when you're working with old stuff, everything is flathead screwdriver screw. It's never anything nice and easy with a Phillips that's exterior, so that it's not rusted. It's always a rusted, screwed up flathead. What I like to do to get those out is I have an array of hand tools that I use for most electrical jobs. That's gonna be my flathead screwdriver, nice Klein's Phillip. That lets you get into some of the tighter spaces. Cameras, if you see, they have tighter spots, so you need a nice skinny headed Phillips standard tip. I think it's a T45, I'm not sure. Utility knife, circuit tester, you need that. Make sure you're not touching anything hot. Your nice Klein's wire strippers. Usually I use Klein Linesman, but today we got some Milwaukee. And that is everything you need to start your electrical project. Okay? I'm going to do a part 2 of the completed job, and you can compare and see which one you like better and kind of see the results